Sometimes, something as little as full stop, comma, spacing, or letter casing can cause you a lot of coding headaches. This video will keep you informed on how to avoid unnecessary burnout, so let's get right into it. I'll be discussing two major things on this topic. First, where should your website live on your computer? And second, casing and spacing. When working locally on your computer, files for your project should be kept in a folder. Now, this folder can live anywhere on your computer, but you should keep it somewhere you can easily access it. It can be in your document folder or your desktop folder, but it doesn't really make sense that you have to put files for your project deep inside the system folder. I hope you get the point now, so let's proceed. The second is casing and spacing. How do you name your files and folders? Do you name it in uppercase or lowercase? So are you the big fish or the small fish? So that's by the way. Do you add spaces when naming your files and folder? Well, you are advised to name files and folders completely in lowercase with no spacing, at least for now until you know what you're doing. You probably have the question why, so let me break it down. Many computers, especially web servers, are case sensitive. Now, web servers are computers that you finally put your website so that anyone, anywhere around the globe can access it, instead of you just living on your computer and you're just the only one that have access to it. If you put an image on your website as my website / image.jpg with the I in image capitalized, and then you try to access it in a different file as my website / image.jpg with the I in image in lowercase, it might work on your local computer but would fail for most web servers. And this can be a real pain when you finally deploy your website to a web server. Then you find out that a lot of things are breaking, images not being shown, pages breaking. Similarly, browsers, web servers, and programming language don't actually handle spaces consistently. For example, if you use spaces in your file names, some systems will treat it as two file names. Some servers will replace it with %20, which is actually the character code for spaces in URL, resulting in all your links being broken. It is better to separate words with hyphens rather than spaces or underscores. The short answer to this is, it is better to use hyphen in your file names. The Google search engine recognizes hyphen as word separator, but it doesn't actually recognize underscore like that. For this reason, it's better to get into the habit of writing your file and folder names in lower cases with no spacing and hyphen for separating words, at least for now until you know what you're doing. That way you will bump into fewer problems down the line. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video with me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop your comments, I would love to read them, subscribe for more of some content, and most importantly, ensure you click that notification bell so you don't miss an update. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video tomorrow. Bye for now.